Hello everyone, I'm Goldie Cube in Korea. Today I will explain how to solve the cube in 7 steps. This is very amazing and easy solution. We can solve the cube by remembering only 6 algorithms, such as a phone number. Let's learn how to number the rotations. Upside 1 1 1 2 2 2 front side 3 3 4 right side 5 6 back side 7 7 8 8 left side 9 9 9 10 oh 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 bottom side 11 12 and this is first layer, this is second layer, and the last layer. This is centerpiece, centerpiece, centerpiece. This is the edge piece, edge piece, edge piece. This is corner piece, corner piece, corner piece. Center, edge, corner. Step 1. White cross. Step 1 is to make white cross. We can solve step 1 without algorithms. From here to here. And then from here to here. Now, step 2, white corners. In this step, we have to arrange all the white corner pieces to finish the first phase. From here to here. 5, 2, 6, 1. Like this. Five to 6. This side. Nine 102. Nine 10. 5 2 2 6 1. 5 2 6. Now, step 3. First 2 layers. You can say F to L. In this step, we are completing the first 2 layers. There are two algorithms we have to use in this step. They are called the right and left algorithms. Right algorithm. 2516 3645 and left algorithm 19204039. Complete. Step 4. Yellow cross. Now we can get 3 possible patterns on the top. Dot, small letter R, and a horizontal line. This is horizontal line. Use this algorithm to go from one state to the other. This is a horizontal line. So 3, 5, 2, 6, 1, 4. Yellow cross. Step 5. Yellow edge. After making the yellow cross on the top of the cube, you have to put the yellow edge pieces on their final places to match the color of the side center pieces. Use this algorithm to rotate clockwise. Look at this. 6151 6225. Clockwise. Clockwise. Step 6. Orientation of last layer. You can say OLL. We can get 7 possible patterns on the last layer. Hooray! Open arms. And there are 2 types of fish. Behind mount fish with mount fish. Short pants, short sleeves, and angelfish. This is angelfish. Angelfish. 64935403. Step 7. Permutation of last layer. You can say PLL. Permutate the last layer to finish the solution of your cube. We have to put the cube like this. Use this algorithm to rotate clockwise. Five, 2, 8, 0, 7, 6, 8, 9, 7, 5, 1, 6. Complete. It's your turn. Bye bye.